Hi, I'm Susan Neri-Friedwald, your ESL teacher, and today we are going to talk about the conditional tense. It's a very interesting but complicated tense, but it's very logical. There are 3 forms of it, and you need to memorize the exact way to do it. The logic of the conditional tenses is this. You are using your imagination, and so the sentence is not fact. Something in the grammar must show the person immediately that you are talking about your imagination, not something that's true. And how does it do that? It's actually a very elegant tense. It does it by making sure that the 2 verbs in the 2 parts of your sentence don't match. When something is true, the verbs all match the time of the story. But in a conditional sentence, it is not true. It's your imagination. And it communicates that it's not true by not matching the verbs. However, the verbs don't match in a particular formula. You can't do it any way you want. You need to learn what the formula is. And here's how that formula works. The if clause never has the true time of the sentence. The correct time of the sentence is always in the other clause, and it doesn't matter which one comes first. The if clause never has the true time. We take the if clause and move it behind the true time of the sentence. Let me say that again. The if clause is moved behind or before the true time of the sentence. So if I am talking about something that maybe will happen in the future, my if clause must be present. If Henry studies hard, he will learn English. Now that sentence tells me that maybe he is not studying hard and maybe he will not learn English. I'm using my imagination. What would happen if he did start to study hard? So listen again. If Henry studies hard, he will learn English. Which one is the correct tense? He will learn English, the future. So the if clause must be present. What comes before future? Present. So what if I'm taking the present and I want to imagine it as something different? What comes before the present? The past. If Henry studied hard, he would speak English well now, or he would learn English. That sentence tells me that maybe he is not learning English right now because he's not studying hard. But notice that because this is now changing the reality, I must use a conditional modal or adverb, would, should, or could, because they help to create the conditional when we are reversing reality. The future could happen. It's the future. Hasn't happened yet. So we can imagine a possible future.